welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am showing you how to make Crockpot Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden in a cook with me video, and if you would like to see that, keep on watching. So here are the ingredients that you will need. You will need kale, potatoes, heavy whipping cream, minced garlic, better than bouillon, Jimmy Dean hot sausage, bacon, I use turkey bacon, and a crock pot, of course. So now I am just spraying a pan down with some cooking spray. So now you're just going to take that Jimmy Dean sausage and put it into the pan once the pan is hot, and you're just going to cook that until it's nice and brown. While the sausage is cooking, I just like to cut up my bacon into little squares in preparation to cook it. And now I am spraying my pan and going to start cooking my bacon. Now the sausage is cooked all the way through, so I am going to put it into the crock pot, but first I am going to take some liners and line the crock pot. And now, while I cook the bacon, I am going to wash some potatoes and peel them. I like to use the technique that Keep Calm and Clean does and peel them on a Walmart bag. And now I am just cutting up the potatoes into bite-sized pieces like you see in the Olive Garden soup, and as I cut them into the bite-sized pieces, I typically just throw them into the crock pot as I go, so I don't have to try and get them all into the crock pot at once. Once you finish that, the bacon should be done, and you can throw all of that into the crock pot. So now you are going to make some chicken broth, and I like to use the better than bouillon little mixture. It's a lot easier, so I made about 4 ounces of it, so it needed 3 teaspoons. And then I just take that and then I mix it all up, and I like to take a fork and push it up against the glass because it makes it a whole lot easier. And then you are just going to want to add that to the crock pot. So now you're just going to add the minced garlic to the crock pot, as well as turning the crock pot on low for about 4 to 6 hours. So now you are going to put the heavy cream in, and I just did 3/4 cup. And now you are going to put the kale in, and I usually eyeball it, but it says in the recipe, I think it says 1 to 2 cups. And this is the finished product. This is one of my husband and I's favorite meals that we make. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Can I eat mine out of this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.